Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's the end of day 3 here. A pretty darn good day. A couple things to report. One, many students are working ahead. In fact, most students in the class are actually working on Thursday's work today, with some people even working on Tuesday next week's work, and then everything in between. You don't have to do that by any means, but I'm just using that as an example to show you that the work is created for you to be successful. So make sure you're engaging with it. Brief reminders. Every morning you get a message and it tells you exactly what to do, and it tells you where it gets posted. Also, if that doesn't work for you, every morning I post a video that tells you what to do that day. And if that doesn't work, you can always go to the calendar, go to the proper day, and then you can do a zoomed in feature that tells you the unit, the activity, the assignment, and where is it submitted. So in the content, if you went to careers, these are all the units. These are the lessons or activities in each unit. And then the assignments are always found in the black box, and it's got the submission button right below it. That being said, you can also do all of your discussions just by clicking on discussions, and you can do your discussions that way. Your assignments, on the other hand, you're going to have to do them through the content and then submit them here. Make sure you're checking your grades every day to make sure that your marks are good and that your feedback is there so you know what to do. My email address, just a reminder, tgun@ugcloud.ca, 9 to 3, almost an immediate response. After 3, it's a response dependent on how my evening with my daughter is going. But everything will always be cleaned up by 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. So just a reminder, today you had to finish all these assignments for day 3. This mark will be out tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. with feedback, so make sure you check that out. Make sure you finish up the discussions. I'm going to leave the discussions marks for a little bit longer because there are marks given for students that comment on other students' posts, and I don't want people to miss the marks on that. So just make sure you're doing that. Make sure you take advantage of those easy marks at that point in time. So, questions, concerns, comments, email me. I want to help. I want you to be successful, but I don't know there's a problem unless you ask. Have yourself a good evening.